Want to solve the Rubik's Cube? Well, stick with me and I'll guide you step by step on how to solve this bad boy regardless of how it's been mixed. Now, before we start, you've got to have that positive mindset of saying, do you know what? I will be able to do it. You've got to visualize solving it and you've got to believe in yourself. I believe in you. Do you believe in yourself? Right, let's get started. So the cube itself, let's actually break it up. Gone all over. Right, let's open this up and let's have a look at some of the pieces. On a cube itself, there are three kinds of pieces. There are center pieces. Now, center pieces comprise of one color. So, as you can see, there we go. The center pieces themselves are static. They don't move. So, all the other pieces around them will move direction and so on. These will stay in the same place. Opposite colors, for example. So, white on the opposite side is yellow, red, opposite side is orange, and blue, opposite side is green. Really handy later on when we're putting it together. So all the other pieces mold around these centerpieces. So the first kind of piece is a centerpiece, only contains one color. The second piece, we're going to refer to it as an edge. Edges have two colors. So this edge, for example, has got green and red. And the last piece, kind of piece on the Rubik's Cube is a corner. Corners comprise of three colors. So this corner here has got green, orange, yellow. Now in terms of the numbers, we've got 6 centerpieces. I did break this down yesterday. We've got 8 corner pieces and we've got, in terms of the edges, we've got 12 edges. How we're going to solve this cube is going to be layer by layer. Okay, let's have a look at the cube.